Hi Alexa, open Finance Assistant.
Welcome to Innovation Strategies Finance Voice Assistant. How can I help you?
What should I know for today?
The country that is at a head regarding the variance on the budget is the US. Mexico and Turkey, which last period were not performing as well, are now doing much better. France still remains the most worrying country. Would you like a more detailed information?
Yes, please.
The variance to budget for France is minus $74.99 thousand. The biggest contributor by customer segment is the non-loyalty, which represents a 59.91% of the total variance to budget. The biggest contributor by channel is online, with minus $52.08 thousand. Is there anything else I can do for you?
I want to know what are the total gross sales for March.
Your total gross sales for March are $850.83 thousand.
And for the current year?
Your total gross sales for the current year are $20.43 million.
What about the gross profit for Europe?
Your gross profit in Europe for the current year is $2.87 million.
Show me the detailed information for Spain.
Your total gross profit in Spain for the current year is $126.36 thousand.
Can you give me the budget for North and Central America?
Sure. Your budget in North and Central America for the current year is $7.14 million.
Show me the Risk and Compliance Management tab.
Going to Risk and Compliance Management.
Please filter by Europe.
Here are the results for your request. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.